these are all plants that I bought at our local nursery last week, but so it was a really nice day, but storms were coming in, so I didn't want to take them outside because I didn't want them to get blown away or, you know, just messed up. So they stayed inside for a while, and then the storms brought in cold weather, so I had to leave them inside because it was down in the 30s one night. It was so cold. So they have suffered a little bit, but I'm trying to revive them now. Like this guy needs to be plucked, but they're doing okay. This is their first day outside. And I think it hit 80 degrees today, so they still have a little bit of work to go. There's some lavender. The tomato was one thing too. I got this big tomato plant already like that. It has a few tomatoes on it already. So we'll see how they do. Now I also brought out some of my lettuce seedlings that I have planted inside. I don't know how they're going to do because they're kind of, I think they got too leggy on me. They got too long and now they're tangled up, but we'll see what happens. These might do okay, these probably won't. I don't know. So I brought those brought those out, and then some other ones. Let me show you those. So the sunflowers here, they were looking really good inside, and now I just happened to look at them today and I was like, oh crap, they don't look good at all. So it's like here, and maybe one other one down there. I don't know how they're gonna do. We'll see. This stuff was already here. It's like perennials that keep coming back every year after I planted bulbs one time. I don't even know what they are, but they come back every year. So that's that. And then there's a few other ones to show you too. All right, so this is Riley's little fairy garden that she actually did last year, and some things are starting to bloom back. And some of it kind of already, it got too cold the other day, and it kind of died off. But so I planted some of our petunia flowers, or sorry, not petunia, zinnia flowers that we had inside. This one and this one right here. So I don't know how they're gonna do. We'll see. They might do okay, they might not. I might have waited way too long to bring them out, but if I waited too long, lesson learned. If not, then we'll enjoy them. But you never know until you try. So okay, so just wanted to show you that little update. We finally have some cool weather. I mean, some good weather, some warm weather, not too cold. Birds going crazy all over the place. But yeah, this is just the first part of our garden on the patio. We have much more to come. Hopefully we can get out. We have some bird feeders down there, but we want to do some more bird feeders like on the railing, and then I want to do like a bird bath as well. I actually have a bird bath, but we want to do one kind of in like almost like a pond in the ground as well. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, just love this time of year. I don't like the tornadoes and the bad storms, but once you get past May, it's like, okay, we're good. But yeah, and I need to get more dirt for all these plants. I'm not gonna leave them in these little containers, but I just didn't have any more dirt. Oh, that was a bird. Oh my gosh. What kind of bird is that? I think it's a woodpecker. I can't tell. He was right there. Anyway, so you never know what kind of stuff you're gonna find. Oh, and there is an app though that you can use. It's called, there he is again. It's called the Merlin app, I think is what it is, MERLIN. You download it and you just let it you tell it kind of what area you're living in, and you let it you just leave it playing outside, let it kind of record outside, and it listens for bird sounds for their calls, and it tells you as soon as it hears it what kind of bird it is. And then if it hears it again, it'll highlight it, it'll keep it on the screen, it'll highlight it, and then you can click on all the different birds and learn more about them and stuff. So it's really cool. We've learned a lot about, we'll always be like, what is that? What kind of bird is that? That's such a weird noise. And now you know. So just a little tip there for you. So all right, well, we gotta go get dinner now. Today's May the 4th, so we're gonna watch some Star Wars movies and eat a pizza. So yeah, fun times. I just saw a hummingbird come to the feeder. I was not, did not have my phone, so I couldn't get it on video, but I heard it before I saw it. So hopefully he'll come back. I just put out some bird seed too. So hopefully we'll get some birds. I have a suet hanger down there. And I have a bird feeder over there with some bird seeds. And then we also have a thing up here with some peanuts, some bird seed, and some mealworms. Okay, so this is our bird feeder. This is what it's meant to be, a feeder for like a deck railing. And I just have it on here with some little tie downs. Yeah, the birds really seem to like it. Oh, I just heard a bird. Let's see, oh, we have a bird bath down there. So yeah, let's go sit and watch the birds. Oh, there. This is so fun. Okay. I'm officially in my bird lady era. I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it. Okay, out in the garden, we have our first, I say garden, patio. First produce of the year. Oh, there it is. I don't know why my tomato leaves at the bottom look like this. And they're starting to go up a little bit. It looks, I don't know if it's not getting enough water or if it's getting too much water. I don't know. I tried not to let it, I mean, the leaves are kind of looking droopy right now, but like, I don't want to overwater it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I mean, I've grown tomatoes so many times, but I've never really seen it do this before. But I mean, clearly tomatoes are looking good. I got more coming up here. So, I don't know. We'll see.
Sorry, I was just drinking some of my drink from Chick-fil-A.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah, before we get any far away, these are pretty dope. We got them at Target.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They have a bunch of different flavors.
But I'm gonna get it out so
No.
I can show you.
It's already
Oh
open.
yeah. Oh yeah. I found like a ton. She's only had one, and they're very hard. You would think this part would be like soft.
Soft.
Chewy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it's kind of hard.
They're really good though. The cones are strawberry flavored and
The inside.
the inside is strawberry flavored. Okay, so the reason why she wanted to make a video is because we got, did you already, this is it, right? We got these at Target today. Squishmallow booster pack. So we have never gotten these before, so we're interested in what they look like.
Mm-hmm.
Scissors. All right, you gonna pull them?
Mm-hmm. And I think they have front and back.
Double-sided?
Mm-hmm. Alright. We got this guy. I don't know. I
It
don't
says
know.
his name on the bottom, doesn't it?
What's that?
Prehistoric Ainhoka.
And Hoka.
That's what we're gonna go with.
And Hoka. There's two. I told you about it.
Hmm.
Yo, look at this one.
Tells you their date and their collector number and their squad.
Look at this one.
What does it say? Squish?
Squish.
But it's like,
The tap.
like a shiny one.
University. This one's cool.
Ooh,
Buddy.
that one's glittery.
It says Buddy, and then it says his name is Dandy.
What's the back of it say? His name is... Buddy is his squad. He's part of the buddy squad, and his name is Dandy.
When I put them in the book, I think I'm gonna have to put them like in different squads.
Yes. Yep, I think so. I
There's
like
two
these
more.
better than Pokemon cards. Is that
What?
bad to say? I'm liking these already than Pokemon cards.
I love
sorry.
Pokemon cards.
I like Pokemon too, but these are so cute. And they're like in different squads. I don't know. I just like. What's that one?
Oh, yes, that's water on it.
Mallow Styles.
That's cute.
That's cute. She loves axolotls.
Get this guy.
What's that guy?
Danny.
What's his
His
name?
university is Series 2? Series 2.
He's in Style Squad.
Hmm.
You will always want Danny on your team. He's the king of games. Danny loves strategy board games, puzzles, and scavenger hunts with his squad. Want to play a game night with Danny? Okay. So there we have it.
Which one's your favorite so far? That one? That one?
I like Buddy. What is Buddy?
a fish.
He's is he a koi fish?
You mean coral?
No, like a koi fish.
Mm.
Meet Dandy. She spends all year looking forward to summer when she gets together with her extended family at their lake house. They have a giant oyster bake and play lots of games. At night, Dandy catches lightning bugs in jars and watches them glow. That sounds like a fun summer. Okay.
Need some paper. Wait, there's some more. I'll be right back. Again.
Sugar Rush scented felt tip pins. Got these at Target. These cards were also at Target. We went to Target today it's been probably a couple months. And
Yeah.
so it felt good going back to Target. I missed it.
Got some
Target's
paper.
like my home away from home. That and like Disney World.
Look at these open. So I'll tell you the flavors.
No, they're scents. We're not
Scents.
we're not tasting these.
Okay. Berry tart, gummy berry, peach delight, cherry pop, bubblegum blast, strawberry tart. Let's see, strawberry tart. What's that say?
Citrus Pops,
Citrus pop, gummy
grapes.
grape. Nope.
No. Gummy Gushers.
Gushers.
Tangerine Twist.
You read the rest.
Tangerine Twist, Melon Popper, Blue Crush, Taffy Twist, Vanilla Sundae, Sour Apple Pop, Frosty Mint, Chocolate Chip, Sour Soda, Berry Pop, Wild Melon, Sugar Plum, Chocolate Dream, Blue Crush, Spun Sugar, and Blackberry Pop.
Let's get these open.
So,
I really like the cookie that's on here. That guy in the middle. Like, right there. Okay.
we got them all out, as you can see.
So
and now she's
I
going to
I'm not gonna draw them quite yet, but I'm gonna
just going to test it out.
test them. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think you can't. I can kind of smell it like this, but once you do it on the lines, you can smell it. Let me try it. I can't smell it. Wait,
Can you smell the marker?
sort of, but like. Oh, once you kind of like draw it.
I can smell the marker tip. So once you start drawing with it, you should be able to smell it. Yeah, we got these at Target. They were in like the stationery section where all the pens and the markers and paper and planners and all that is. So coloring books, all that kind of fun stuff. Now you might have already seen the garden videos. These were taken from like several days apart. Like took some today. Today is, what's today? May 23rd. It's been a fun day. Kind of a rainy day, but we had fun at Target. We got Chick-fil-A, came home, played soccer in the rain a little bit, in the sprinkling rain, not the downpouring rain. I would not be out there if it was downpouring, right? But it was sprinkling and we had fun, so. And now we must finish our picture and then feed Zoe and get ready for bed. So we hope you had fun watching, and we will see you next time with a fun video. And until then, have a magical pixie dusted day. Cheers. Bye.